All right, guys, so we're going to continue with our reactivity and we're going to get some practice. So you want to fill in the form. So, of course, your name, last name, first name, and then class period, you have science. Some people have been putting different class periods. So whatever class period you have science. Okay, and so here's that reference chart that we used yesterday. And what you're going to do is you're going to be using this to answer the questions, okay? So like number 1 says, use the reference chart above, all right? It says, identify the metal in period 3 that is more reactive than magnesium. And then it gives you aluminum, sodium, and sulfur, okay? So the metal in period 3, so we're looking over here, metals in period 3. So aluminum's a metal, magnesium's a metal, and sodium's a metal. That's all in period 3. And we want it more reactive than magnesium. So here's magnesium, more reactive. So we see metals, it increases to the left, is going to be sodium. So here I'm going to click sodium. Okay. Question number 2. Use the reference chart above. Identify the nonmetal in period 4 that is more reactive than selenium. So we're looking at a nonmetal in period 4 that's more reactive than selenium. So is it bromine, krypton, or germanium? Okay. So in period 4, here's period 4. My nonmetals are right here, selenium, bromine, and krypton. And I want more reactive than selenium. So bromine is more reactive because it's the most reactive nonmetal. So I'm going to click that. All right, so that's how you're going to be doing these questions. Question 3, identify a nonmetal in period 3 that is less reactive than sulfur. So you get aluminum, chlorine, and phosphorus. Question 4, identify the element that is non-reactive or inert with 4 energy levels. Krypton, bromine, or potassium. And I'm just going to put in some random answers right now so that you guys can see the next questions. Okay. Identify the nonmetal in period 2 that is more reactive than nitrogen and less reactive than fluorine. So you have carbon, neon, oxygen. So I'm just clicking a random answer. Identify the least reactive metal in period 3, sodium, aluminum, or magnesium. Again, I'm just clicking random answers right now so that you can see the questions. Question 7, identify the metal in the 4th period that is more reactive than calcium. You got gallium, potassium, and bromine. Identify the noble gas with 2 valence electrons. So you have magnesium, beryllium, and helium. Okay. Again, I am just clicking, oh, well, that was the end. And then you're going to hit submit once you've answered these correctly. Okay, so I only did the first 2 with you correctly. I didn't do the rest, so make sure you go back, you read the question, and you click on the answers. I will be adding more videos to help you on the instruction page in case you need extra help.